wash your hands to make sure all the germs go away. Next step, gather all the ingredients you will be using. Put the bread rolls on tinfoil on the tray. Now put them in the oven until they are golden brown. While they're in the oven, grate your cheese and cut up your other ingredients. Now they're golden brown, take the bread rolls out the oven. Cut them in half and put tomato sauce on top. Now the tomato sauce is on, put your other ingredients on top. Put them under the grill until the cheese melts. Now take them out of the oven and place on a plate. The last step is enjoy.